Many modern smartphones offer some water resistance, but we don't recommend taking them for a swim, especially when there are solid, cheap underwater cameras on the market. High-end underwater photography rigs can cost thousands of dollars, but you don't have to have James Cameron money to get great aquatic shots. The best cheap underwater cameras are great for a day at the pool, beach vacations, or even more serious scuba adventures well below the surface. Number 1. Ricoh WG6. This waterproof camera isn't the least expensive choice on our list, but it's packed with advanced features that make it worth spending a little bit more. It has a rugged build, and in addition to being waterproof down to 65 feet, it is also shockproof, crushproof, and can operate in temps down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. It has built-in GPS and a built-in LED ring light for illuminating underwater scenes. If you've ever tried to film underwater only to come out with murky results, you know how important that is. This built-in ring light is particularly helpful if you are shooting close-ups in one of the camera's macro modes. As for video, it can capture 4K/30p footage and 120 FPS when shooting at 1280x720. Although it lacks Wi-Fi, image stabilization, and raw image support, this isn't surprising given the affordable price point. Ultimately, it is the combination of features, impressive depth capabilities, and relatively affordable cost that make the Ricoh WG6 our pick for best overall. This cheap waterproof digital camera should be able to handle whatever adventures you throw it into. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9. Buying gear that's a few generations behind can be a great way to save money when shopping for new equipment. Although the GoPro Hero 9 was released over 3 years, it's still an incredibly capable camera for shooting underwater. The Hero 9 has a front-facing display, can capture 5K/30p footage, and can produce 20 megapixel stills. It's waterproof down to 33 feet without a case, and it has a number of accessories that make it functional for a wide variety of outdoor water activities. HyperSmooth 3.0 makes it easy to shoot super smooth videos, even when the waves get rough. In addition to being waterproof, it also happens to be dustproof and freeze-proof, and since it's not quite the newest GoPro, it's a budget-friendly version if you are looking for a waterproof camera that excels at video. Number 3. Kodak Weekend Underwater Disposable Camera. A waterproof point-and-shoot disposable was a mainstay of pool parties and beach days in the pre-digital era, and we love that they're still available for underwater shooting. It's easy to use, shoots 35mm film, and there are sure to be some very cool lo-fi effects that you can get without running your photos through a digital filter. Although it's certainly more expensive to get film developed these days, we're extremely glad that the OG underwater camera hasn't gone out of style. Waterproof, rugged, durable, shockproof rubber shell loaded with Kodak Ultramax 800 speed 27 exposure film, outdoor and daylight use only without flash, built with sunscreen and scratch resistant lens, avoid scratches from sand and snow that can ruin the picture. It's perfect for outdoor and daylight use and comes without flash. Kodak's single-use camera is built with sunscreen and scratch-resistant lens. It also helps avoid scratches from sand and snow that can ruin the pictures. Number 4. Tacien Waterproof Underwater Camera. This inexpensive, easy-to-use camera is a great choice for parents looking for something to keep the kids entertained on vacation without breaking the bank. Housed inside a plastic case, this kid-friendly cam is waterproof down to 100 feet, has large buttons, a number of built-in frames and stickers, and even some built-in games. It can shoot 1080p video and has a battery life of 2 to 3 hours. Just ensure your little ones keep this particular camera in its plastic housing. It's the one thing keeping the camera safe from the elements. Don't expect image quality beyond what you'd get out of an older smartphone camera, but that's not really the point of a mode like this. It's built for fun, and it accomplishes that task. The kid's underwater camera comes with an IP67 waterproof case which can be dive underwater up to 100 ft. Perfect for children to take photos in the aquarium, beach, swimming pool, and ocean. Note: do not open the waterproof case underwater. Number 5. Minolta 48MP Dual Screen Waterproof Digital Camera. This waterproof Minolta digital camera isn't rated quite as deep as some of the others in this buying guide, but it does offer a budget-friendly choice from a trusted and established camera brand. It features a full-frame sensor capable of capturing 48 megapixel stills, has a dual-screen design, and features like face and smile detection make it a great tool for underwater selfies at the pool. It can shoot 2.7K/30p video, has a 16x digital zoom, and built-in image stabilization. It's waterproof down to 10 feet and under $100, making it a steal for capturing high-quality images in the water. The front screen can be used as self-timer screen with face recognition technology, so you can easily take the perfect selfie. Special features including panorama shooting, face detection and smile capture make shooting the perfect shot easy.